Good morning, guys! Hello from our house. And ayan. Guys, kamusta na kayo? Ayan, may konti tayong entertainment section dito with Austin and baby girl. Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Guys, ano nang balita sa inyo? May Christmas tree na kayo. So, ayan yung Christmas tree sa morning. And there's Austin, sinisinghot si baby girl. Mabango kasi yan eh. Ano, tawag ito, may baby powder. Anyways, guys, meron pala tayong bisita today. Kaya, nag-ayos kami ni Austin. Bisita tayo ngayon, si Anna. Anna is visiting us today, guys. Dito siya magbe-breakfast. At ang gusto niya, Filipino food. So, ayan, guys. Ayan yung Christmas tree sa umaga. And ito yung bahay sa umaga. Nakapag-decorate ako ng konti. Pero yung iba, hindi ko na nilabas. Kasi I'm like, mahirap din magbalik after Christmas. So, ayan, si Austin, nakasuot siya ng elephant pants. Red na red siya. And guys, red din yung outfit ko today. Anyways, guys, antayin natin si Anna. Pero, I wanted to show you guys kung ano yung niluto ko. Hold on. So, guys, si Anna nag-request. Gusto niya daw matry yung adobo ko. So, we have pork belly adobo and pork butt with boiled eggs. So, ayan, inaano ko siya, wino-warm ko siya para pagdating ni Anna, ready na siya. And another staple ng Filipino food, garlic rice. So I made some garlic rice for her. Kasi I don't think she nagbumibili siya ng Filipino breakfast. So, ayan. And then I made some sweet pork longganisa for her. And then, ayan guys, request niya. We have like crispy dilis here. You know what guys, I've never had dilis kasi I've never had a good one. Yung mga dating nag-work sa bahay namin when I was younger, hindi nila kini-crispy yung dilis. So, I've never liked it. And then, sabi ng isa kong friend, i-crispy ko daw, masarap. And you know what, kini-crispy ko siya. Ang sarap pala talaga, no? And then, we have eggs. Gusto niya yung medyo, not sunog-sunog, but like well done. And then, she wanted, what to call this, kamatis. So, I have that for her. And then, I have coffee and everything. So, ano ko pala, flex ko lang. Si Austin gumawa niyan. Nung backsplash namin. So, anyways guys, antayin na lang natin si Anna. Guys, tinawag ako ni Austin kasi gusto niya daw i-flex si Quincy sa inyo. Hi Quincy! Love na love ni Papa Austin yan si Quincy. Guys, malaki yan. Austin, sige nga, i-ano mo siya. Ipakita mo yung length ni Quincy. Ayaw, nagko-curl siya. Guys, oh, ganyan kalaki yan. Ang laki niya, no? Thank you pala doon sa mga natutuwa kay Quincy at saka kay Ellie, ha? Thank you. At saka si baby girl din. Thank you very much. Ayan, mga babies namin yan kasi we don't have kids. So, yan si Quincy, Ellie, and baby girl, yung mga anak-anak namin. And we love them so much. Alam nyo guys, spoiled yan. Yung mga yan, mga kinakain nila, mga organic, grain-free. Kasi diba, may breed sila, ragdoll. So, yung mga tiyan nila, you know, very sensitive. May mga certain foods na nasa grocery hindi nila pwedeng kainin. Kasi nagkaroon sila ng indigestion. So, talagang may special food sila na in-order namin. Pati na rin si baby girl. Si baby girl is a domestic short hair. Pero, wala, ganun din. Para pantay-pantay, diba? Para tawag dito. Kasi, kawawa naman kung hindi tawag dito kung hindi organic din yung food ni baby girl. So anyways, ayan si baby girl. Ayan, hala. Ay, nako. Tatry na naman hulihin ni Austin. So anyways, guys. Ayan yung bahay sa umaga. Where's Ellie? Ay, kunin mo. Pakita mo si Ellie sa kanila. So, guys, ayan o. Meron tayong Catovision, guys. Binivideo ko lang. Dito ka, Austin. Dito ka. Go over here para makita nila yung mama ni Quincy. Guys, yan ang mommy ni Quincy. She's smaller than Quincy. She's a blue mitted ragdoll. Si Quincy is a blue bicolor ragdoll. Ang mommy ni Ellie, guys, champion yan sa cat show nung 2010, ano? 2010. So, si Ellie may papers yan kasi anak siya ng champion. So, hindi siya sinali sa show. Pero siya yung nagkaroon ng babies. Nagkaroon siya ng litter, twice lang. And si Quincy yung sa second litter. And then, nag-retire na siya. And then, binigay siya sa akin nung owner ng cattery. So, yan lang. Ano yan, guys? Medyo very pihikan yan. Yung kitty litter. pag nagpipi na si Quincy, minsan ayaw niya na magpipi, kaya kailangan meron siya sariling kitty litter. Ay, nako guys. So anyways, this is the house in the morning. Nakakatuwa yung Christmas tree. No? Marami pa ako mga balls na blue. Hindi ko na guys nilagay kasi napapagod na ako. I don't know. As you get older talaga, no? Nawawala ng energy nyo. Energy mo pala. Anyways, let's wait for Anna. Merry Christmas from our house, guys. There's Quincy. And there's a tree in the morning. There you go. And there's Quincy again. And there's baby girl. I hope you guys decorated your house for Christmas. And there's the family room. My friend Anna is visiting us today. So, napalinis ako ng bahay. Anyways guys, take care. Thank you for watching. And there's the cats again. Ingat. Bye.
Hi everyone!
Guys, Anna is here, pero hanggang fingers lang tayo. Ayaw niya magpakita sa vlog, guys. And there's Austin right there. And guys, we're gonna go ahead and have breakfast. So, ito yung breakfast spread namin that I made, for Anna. Ito yung mga requests niya. Yan, dried fish, longanisa. Ay, I forgot the adobo, Austin. Go get the adobo.
That's the highlight.
That's the highlight. No, kasi request ni Anna na matikman niya yung adobo ko. So, we need the adobo. It's a must. So, anyways, guys, we're gonna eat and then we're gonna go out. So, ayan. Ayan, guys. Sandali lang. Okay, guys. Ayan na yung adobo. So, we're gonna have, Anna, taste it. Anna, try mo para meron tayong reaction vid sa adobo.
Sige.
It's her first time, guys, to try my adobo. So let's have her get the food muna, and then we'll vlog her reaction. Ayan, guys. Let's see what she thinks. Sarap, no? I'm telling you, guys, masarap talaga ako mag-adobo. Yan ang isang dish na I can say na kung sino nakakatikim, nasasarapan talaga. Kasi yung adobo ko, guys, ginagawa ko, yung dry, yung hindi siya yung masabaw na parang sinigang, ginagawa ko talaga, like, pinapakatas ko siya and everything. So, I'm glad Anna liked it.
Plus it's well balanced. You know,
May konting sugar, vinegar, lots of garlic. Yan pala talaga yung
it's
sikreto
not
ko.
too it's perfect.
Di ba minsan, when you order adobo here, ang maalat?
Right,
It's
exactly.
very maalat and then ang dami sabaw and everything. So, ito hindi.
And it's very tender.
It's very, kasi matagal ko siya niluto in slow heat. So anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and eat. And thank you for watching. I'm just happy na she's here. Anna is our subscriber turned friend turned BFF namin ni Austin. So, ayan. We're gonna go out today, guys. We're gonna go to Rogers Garden, Newport Beach, and Laguna Beach. And dadalhin namin kayo doon. And again, thank you. Teka. Mag-greet ako ng tayo, pan out tayo dito. Para makita niyo yung family room. Kasi nag-ayos ako para talaga kay Anna. Guys, mag-greet pala ako. Teka, on top of my head. We have Annalyn, Marlin, and then we have Letlet, and then we have Chari, we have Phoenix, we have Lynn, Desert Cat Mom. Hi, Lynn. Hello, amiga. And then we have Mommy Jen, we have Volvalin, and sino pa ba? Naku, I need to make a list na na naman yung isip ko. So anyways, guys, Gar Tags, hello guys. So anyways, I just wanted to say hello. Yung mga hindi ko na nag-greet, i-greet ko uli. Alam ko merong isang subscriber gusto magpabati ng birthday yata sa November 17. Oh my goodness, I need to get a list. And ayan guys, yung sa fireplace, naayos ko na rin siya. Thank you again for watching. Adios guys, later. So So guys, ito yung Christmas tree sa umaga. Right there. And ayan yung family room. Ang gulo. Ando si baby girl. Right there. Andoon. Oo, nagtatago siya. So yan guys. Naglinis ako ng house kasi dumating si Anna. Hello daw guys. Sige guys, we're gonna go and pupunta kami Newport Beach and we'll take you guys with us. Hi guys. So Quincy here.
Kilos pala?
Oh, okay lang yan. Binigyan siya ni Tita Ana niya ng pasalubong from Amazon. It came this morning. And nako, napaka spoiled ni Quincy. Oh, binigyan siya ni Tita Ana niya ng snackies.
Kilos.
Quincy, ang dami-dami. You guys, you have to share that with, you have to share that with your mom and baby girl.
Look how pretty.
Let's call them. Ellie, baby girl, come here.
Ayaw. Look how cute.
Si ano, nagigigil kay Quincy.
Gigil. Gigil.
Buksan mo yung isang Kittles, bigyan mo siya.
Which one do they like?
Oh, they like all of them. Oh, hala. Narinig na
Oo.
ni baby girl yung yung packaging.
Oh, sige, ito na. There you go.
Oh, you guys are so lucky. You guys are so lucky. Binigyan kayo ni Tita Ana niya ng treats.
Ayaw?
Hindi, yan yung isa na yan. Pa-smell muna.
Ayaw,
Or
si
si
Quincy na lang.
Si Quincy wala. Si Quincy, yan o, si...
Yan. Oo.
Yan.
So
You
cute.
guys are
Where's
so
Ellie?
spoiled.
Quincy! Ay, sorry.
Ellie, come here. Ellie. Ayan, I can hear. Ayan, palapit
Ellie,
na.
may pasalubong ako sa'yo.
Ellie, may pasalubong si Tita Ana.
Ayan.
You guys are so lucky. Ang daming nagbibigay sa inyo palagi ng snacks. At saka ng treats.
Ikaw, ayaw mo mapa. Si
Ayan.
Quincy, ano tawag doon? He has a healthy appetite.
Yeah, siya tsaka si Ellie, yung dalawa. Si baby girl, she has a healthy appetite dun sa food niya. Pero when you give her snacks or treats, inaamoy-amoy niya muna and then she'll eat it. Pero pag-iisipan niya muna. Yung dalawa, when it comes to treats, basta kainin nila yan.
I thought I got the lickables. Ito pala yung... I wasn't paying attention.
Oh my
You're
goodness.
so handsome.
Oh, see?
And you're so pretty. And
Love
you.
na love kayo ni Tita Ana. Thank you, Tita Ana, for all the treats. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to share a short video of the kitty cats kasi marami sa inyo natutuwa dito sa tatlo. So, I just thought of doing a quick video kasi they've been blessed with a gift of treats from their Tita Ana. Oh, no. Ang bait yung mga yan, guys. Where's baby girl? Baby girl? Wala,
Baby
iniwanan
girl.
na tayo ni baby girl, guys. Itong dalawang magnanay na lang natira dito.
Ayaw.
Hindi, nagpapahawak yan. Magugulat din lang talaga yan. Ever since talaga, she's like that. Kahit sa akin. Yan. Aww. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. And hello sa lahat ng cat and dog lovers out there watching this video. Bye. Thank you.